steadiness is rooted deep, no surface wave can sway. The body holds its quiet ground through heat or cold or strain, like hands upon a steady wheel while storms may rise and fall. The center stays composed and clear, unaffected by it all. Beyond the pool of pleasure and pain, the inner balance stays. No grasping toward what feels so good, no push of what dismays. In stillness opposites release their hold upon the mind. The soul stands calm, untouched and free, beyond all space and time. The heart no longer leans toward want or pulls away from fear. Emotion settles into calm, unmoved by what appears. No hunger left to chase delight, no dread of what might be. A neutral ground of quiet strength where clarity can breathe. Beyond the pool of pleasure and pain, the inner balance stays. No grasping toward what feels so good, no push of what dismays. In stillness opposites release their hold upon the mind. The soul stands calm, untouched and free, beyond all space and time. When dual forces lose their grip and cease to steer the way, awareness rises into truth that does not split or sway. From this clear space, the deeper self moves steady, firm and sure, no longer bound by push or pull, aligned, complete, secure. In freedom from all opposites, true peace begins to grow. The self remains unchanged within by all that comes and goes. Here focus holds without restraint, no conflict left to face. The soul abides in quiet strength, a steady balance plays.